Hello my YouTube family, I hope you all well good. I have brought you a very awesome video. Before this, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel quickly so that you will be subscriber are complete. If you go, please subscribe. It will be very kind to you. Please subscribe to my channel. So I have brought you a very awesome video which is Christmas tree video, very beautiful and very cute design. I have made this video very hot. I hope you will like my video. Be sure to share this video with your friend and family whatever platform you are on, WhatsApp or Facebook. Wherever you are, be sure to share this video with your friend and family. It's very beautiful and great this design. I hope you like my video.